So my mate Lee, remember me? Fucking hell. Fell off me shoes. You said, is that right, Lee? Is that?
I don't know.
You're not called Lee.
This one cheese.
I don't want cheese.
Toast sandwich.
No. Cheese and ham.
So what you want?
Cheese and ham. Why you get cheese?
You give me.
Cheese. I want cheese.
No, I don't have cheese.
Cheese and ham I want.
Not cheese ham.
Gosh, she's a pain in
No,
the ass.
ham.
I swear.
Cheese
Cheese.
toast
Cheese.
sandwich.
I want cheese and ham. No ham again, I suppose, today.
Yeah.
Right, which is cheese?
Cheese and ham.
I don't want hot dogs.
Yes.
I don't want that. Look at the bread.
So what you want?
I don't want that. I want.
You want the boxing with me?
I want cheese and ham.
Got cheese and ham here.
No, that's a.
But you said you want this.
I don't want that. I want cheese and ham, not just
Yeah,
cheese.
you put back. I also don't know what
No,
you
put
want.
back then.
You take from where?
This. You'll be in trouble later. Probably now.
Chocolate?
I don't want chocolate. I'm already fat.
Really?
Yes. Trying to give fatty chocolate. Right. What's that? Cheese and ham.
Ham and cheese?
Cheese and ham or ham and cheese? Which is it?
Ham and cheese.
I don't want ham and cheese.
Up to you.
Why does Thai ladies never help us? Why do they always get confused? Do you know, I love her, but she's just so horrible to me.
Really?
I want cheese. Tell you I want cheese. Can give cheese.
Sorry. You want cheese or you don't have to understand.
Honest, mate, trust me. Don't get a Thai girlfriend. Are you my girlfriend?
Yes. But I don't know.
Are you 100% trustworthy?
He said what you want?
I want cheese.
No, no. I serious, you know. What you want?
I want...
You should. Not me. You should.
I'm shooting cheese, this one. Lee said yellow.
Yes.
He lives in Thailand, Lee Phelps. He said
said
yellow
something.
is cheese.
Yes.
Yes, I want 2 of those. I told you that.
No.
Oh, that's it.
Just now you say you want
Now she
ham and
dropped
cheese.
it.
No.
I don't want ham and cheese, I want cheese. Before you say ham and cheese.
You say you want one cheese. It's no ham.
Now you're breaking everything, smashing everything up.
Em màu nhưng mà
And she have fleas. So many fleas. Fucking hell, mate. Oh. My hair. I might get a hair transplant, get another 3 on this side. Loves you lot.